how to make a boomerang on Instagram from camera roll without using any app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a boomerang from your Instagram camera roll without using any third-party app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app and then swipe to right, and here you will see boomerang. So tap on it. Now make a video. Wait for it to process, and after you are done making the boomerang video, you can tap on this boomerang logo in the top left side. Then from here you can slow-mo the boomerang. You can do this effect and this. You can also trim your video. Now after you are done editing your boomerang video, tap on done in the top right corner, and now you can share this boomerang on your Instagram story. But if you want to share this boomerang on your Instagram as a video or reel, or you want to share this video as a boomerang or any other apps, so here you have to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and you have to tap on save, and the video will be saved to your phone's gallery, and from there you can share it wherever you want. And so this is how you can make a boomerang on Instagram from camera roll without using any third-party app. Thanks for watching.